Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to connect CapCut to TikTok. Well, CapCut offers a wide range of advanced video editing features that allows you to enhance the quality of your videos. You can add special effects, filters, transition, text, and more to make your video visually appealing. By using CapCut to edit your TikTok videos before uploading them, you can create more professional looking content that stands out from the crowd. So, in this video, you're gonna learn how to connect it. So, to connect it, open your CapCut application. Then in here, tap the person or the profile at the bottom right corner. And then, tap sign in with TikTok. Now you are successfully connected to TikTok. CapCut is designed to seamlessly integrate with TikTok, making it easy to transfer your editing videos from CapCut to TikTok. With just a few simple steps, you can import your editing videos directly into TikTok and continue to create process within the TikTok app. This integration saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on creating engaging content. So that's how to connect CapCut to TikTok. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.